Subscribe to Diazonic Labs and click on bell icon to get latest updates. Hey, what's up guys? This is Aziz from Diazonic Labs, and today's video will be focused on how to install the Mozilla Thunderbird application or the email client. And after that is done, we'll try and configure our emails, the Gmail. I have a Gmail account. You can do it for the other emails as well. So we'll configure it onto our Thunderbird email client. So let's start with it. Let me open up my Google. Let me just type in Thunderbird download. Just Thunderbird should do. So we have thunderbird.net. So let's click on it. This is the official website. Let's click on free download and that will start downloading it. While it's downloading, let's read about Thunderbird a bit. Thunderbird is an email client. So I have a Wikipedia page here. So yes, it says it's free and open source. Open source means the source code is open for all. It's a cross-platform email client. Cross-platform as in it can be used on multiple different platforms, Windows, Linux, macOS, and other things. It's a news client, RSS, and chat client as well. So it's cool lot of features. It's developed by Mozilla Foundation. So it's again non-profit foundation, not-for-profit organization. Yeah. Okay. Anyway, the download is complete. Let me just open up the setup file. Let me run it. Extract. Let's wait for it to load up. Yes, let's go with the setup. I'm just going to go with the standard setup for now. If you're an advanced user, if you know the setup installation commands, you could use the custom things to know what are the features we need. But I'm just going to go with the standard, which generally make it get all the features, everything, including calendars and everything installed. I'm going to set it as my default mail client because I don't have anything else, and I'm not going to be using Windows Live Mail or Windows Mail client. So let me click on next. It will install in the program files x86 folder. It's fine. Let's wait for it to install. It's downloading and installing a lot of file. Okay, now we click on launch Mozilla Thunderbird now. Let's check while that launches. Let's check here. Thunderbird, as I mentioned, is a not-for-profit organization, so it depends on our donation. So if you want to donate, you may donate anything. It's not mandated. I'm just not going to donate it for now. Just close it, and it has come up with a screen. I want to set up an existing mail account. I'm just going to give it my name here, and in the email address, let me type in my email address at gmail.com. Oh, apologies. Okay, let me enter my password. Let's hope I remember it correctly. I'm just gonna go and continue so that it automatically configures. It does because it is Gmail, the IMAP address and the incoming and outgoing mail addresses and the server details are all automatically taken. So I'm just gonna click on next. It'll check for the password. It'll ask me to enter the password. Yes. Let me enter the password. Okay. It asks for the permission to read, compose, send, and permanently delete all the emails from Gmail. So it's kind of asking the permission. So I'm gonna click on allow. Why else would I use it? Okay. Use Thunderbird as me for emails, use group feeds. I'm just gonna set it as default. Right? There we go. I have all the mails here. Let me just expand it to ensure. Okay. And here we have inbox and all my folders from the Gmail, the ones which I have done, created already. On the right side, we have calendars. We don't specifically use calendars, but yes, if you have to use it, yeah, we could always use it. I'm just gonna click on something, Premier League. So the mail header comes up here. So this is the refresh page. If I have to compose an email, I'm going to click on write and that will open up the email. If I have to, let me close this. If I have to create an event, you can create an event here, attach a calendar meeting and everything. So yeah, you can invite attendees. Lots of cool features. Once you can tag it, you can set the tags for the emails. Yeah, the attachment list, you can start it. Similar to the things with lots of additional features. So as and when you explore it, you'll be able to make more sense of it. You can create lots and lots of folders and create rules. And if we just explore it here, this is my events list. Here's my calendar tab. It'll show me the calendar details if I have. I don't have any calendar listings on my personal account. On my business account, though, there'll be lots of meetings and everything, scheduled tasks and everything, which would come up here. Okay, so a nice little way of using it. You have a synchronize option so that when you try and move the folders or create it on a different thing, you may synchronize it. So anyway, that's about it. So let me close it, and I have this icon, cool looking icon here. When I click on it, the mails should load up. Bear with me, my computer is a teeny tiny bit slow. So automatically it refreshes, lots of emails and everything. And if you want to refresh it manually, you can just click on get messages and it should automatically remain. So that's about it. Thank you for watching. And if you need us to perform any other videos or anything, leave us a suggestion in the comment box and we'll try and accommodate that. Thank you. Please do like this video and share it with your friends and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials.